You can access the VCLearn sign-in page through the My VC website or with the URL myvc.ielearn.ac.za. To log into VCLearn, your username is your Varsity College email address, which is your student number at vcconnect.edu.za. Your password is the same password that you use for all Varsity College systems. It is the password that you chose after registering and resetting your temporary password. Please note that your password is only valid for 3 months or 90 days, after which you will need to reset it. Once you've entered your username and password, simply click on Sign In to enter VCLearn. Once you've logged into VCLearn, to find your courses, simply click on Courses in the menu on the left-hand side. You will then see a list of all of the modules that you are registered for. To go into a module, simply click on the module code and you will be taken to the module homepage.